Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to summarize 50 plus research pages instantly in NotebookLM. So first, you need to address the structural limits of the application. The standard free tier of NotebookLM restricts individual workspaces to a hard cap of exactly 50 sources. If you are conducting a massive literature review that exceeds this number, you have two primary options to expand your capacity. So you can either upgrade your workspace tier or use a free workaround. You can combine your individual files. Because Notebook permits a massive 500,000 words per single source entry, you can use a local PDF stitching utility to merge batches of 5 or 10 related papers into a single unified macro document before uploading. And then, once your text files are prepped, you can open up your project. We can just create new. Then guys, move your attention directly to the far left panel and click the Add Sources container right over here. Okay, after this, you can just drag and drop your stitched files or raw paper PDFs straight into the boundary grid, or just choose this button that says Upload Files. Then guys, bypass the Send to Chat workspace and move your cursor to the far right panel titled Studio. Okay, so on the right, this dedicated dashboard panel holds your advanced generation tools. So to build a comprehensive overview across all 50 plus research items simultaneously, you can click on the reports right over here, or also the data table. So the background engine will cross-reference every active document line concurrently, extracting core methodologies, contrasting insights, and key conclusions. So this is how you work. Just don't forget to condense your PDFs into a more collapsed tiny versions so that you can actually put them in here and start working with them. That is it guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you.